I'm staying here. How about with delete Windows.old folder? First of all, we can see this shell. My Windows.old folder is thin and there are 4. Because I have installed this 3 or 4 times. I had to install many times because of the some problem. That you can see. 3 or 4 folder were made. Now they have deleted it. First let us see how to do it. Where disk cleanup will be done and see. Can you disk cleanup has been done. Now we will do OK on this. You will get something. There is no need to change it either. After this disk cleanup setup has been opened. Now we click on cleanup system file. Click OK. I will click OK. And now there's a no need change for this. It will take some time and then the next window will open. Disk cleanup has been done. We select previously on click this. To select the Windows installation folder. We'll do it and after that the next window will open. Has disk cleanup process. Now it has become a cult for once and we see that the C wakes up in the drive. Now you can see the Windows.old folder here. The folder was now in the archives and this way you can be safe and easy. Thanks.